Hello guys, and welcome to the Proterozoic Place YouTube channel. Millions of years ago, during the Mesozoic era, Earth was ruled by monsters called dynasties. Everyone knows about the terrifying T-Rex and Spinosaurus, but in this video we will introduce you to dynasties that will make those two look like kittens. Brace yourself for the top 7 most dangerous dynasties. Number 7. Fukivenator. This herbivore dynasty lived in Japan during the early Cretaceous period. It was 2 meters long and a member of the theropod family, specifically the Therizinosaur subfamily. Scientists speculate that Fukivenator used its long claws to defend itself from predators and to climb up trees, according to paleontologist David Peters. This arboreal lifestyle, along with other similarities, suggests that Fukivenator is the ancestor of modern birds. Number 6. Zanabazar Jr. Zanabazar's son lived in Mongolia during the very end of the Cretaceous period. It was a 3-meter-long, carnivorous theropod. This dynasty had a large sickle claw on each foot and sharp teeth in its mouth, but what truly made it so dangerous was its intelligence. It's believed that Zanabazar Jr. was as smart as early humans and could even use primitive tools. Some think that, if dynasties never went extinct, Zanabazar Jr. would continue its evolution until it evolved the intelligence and body plan of modern humans. Imagine the possibilities of what their civilization could have looked like. Number 5. Pacorhinosaurus. This dynasty belonged to the Ceratopsian family. It was an herbivore that lived at the very end of the Cretaceous, like Zanabazar Jr., but unlike Zanabazar Jr., it lived in Canada. It had the largest horn of any dynasty, evidenced by a large dome-like structure on its skull that's believed to have supported a horn. The horn would have been 2 meters long, giving the beast a total length of 8 meters. Number 4. Kentrosaurus. Kentrosaurus was a species of Stegosaurus that lived in Tanzania during the late Jurassic period. It was an herbivore and 10 meters long. Its tail and lower back had spikes along them, which it used as a weapon against predators. It also had a spike on each of its shoulders. How deep do you think its spikes could pierce into your flesh? Comment down below. Number 3. Saurophaganax. Saurophaganax was an herbivorous, sauropod dynasty that also lived in the late Jurassic, but in Montana. This dynasty was one of the largest, being 20 meters long. Its size was scary, but that's not all. This dynasty could use its tail like a whip, but on a much grander scale. And as proven by the documentary Dinosaur with Stephen Fry, Saurophaganax could do this without hurting itself in the process. Combine its size and tail with the sharp claws on its feet, and you can see why this dynasty made it on our list. Number 2. Pteranodon. This member of the theropod family and Carcharodontosaur subfamily was a deadly carnivore. It was the largest of the theropods, reaching lengths of 14 meters. It also had a bite even stronger than T-Rex's. It lived during the late Cretaceous period in Argentina. Before we see number 1, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the Proterozoic Place YouTube channel, or else this giant spider will be under your bed tonight. Number 1. Eodromius. Eodromius was a theropod from the Middle Triassic of New Mexico, and a rather pathetic one at that. It was only 1 meter long and exclusively a scavenger. So why is it number 1 on our list? Well, that's because it was actually the first of the theropods. Every slash, stomp, and bite from another theropod was but a mere imitation of Eodromius's. Eodromius was the mentor of Earth's greatest killers. Honorable mention: Momo. Momo wasn't a dynasty, but it was too dangerous to not include in this video. It was a species of human that lived in Japan several thousand years ago. Based on cave paintings made by other humans, scientists have deduced that Momo was a vicious killer, slaughtering humans and animals alike. This monster showed not a sliver of mercy. I think we here at the Proterozoic Place speak for everyone when we say we're glad this demon is extinct.